मुझे नहीं लगी कहानी अच्छी, डोंट बी पार्ट ऑफ इट। मुझे नहीं लगी कहानी अच्छी, डोंट बी पार्ट ऑफ इट। क्योंकि जो हम हेरा फेरी में कर चुके थे, इट वाज अगेन, अभी तो नीरज नहीं रहा, बट होता है ना कि यार वो
Whatever has to happen, it's a very serious matter. It's a very serious matter. It is a matter which is going to be handled by the court and things like that.
हाँ, तो आप सिक्वल बनाते हो तो या फिर मुन्ना भाई एमबीबीएस जैसे ही बनाओ, मुन्ना भाई एमबीबीएस जैसे ही बनाओ।
I would not appreciate it. I would not appreciate it. I would say that that's not right. 30 साल से 32 साल से मैं उनके साथ काम करते आया हूँ। सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको कहूँगा कि using this kind of word for one of my co-star, like a foolish word or something, I would not appreciate it. I would say that that's not right. He's been with me, I've worked with him since last 30 साल से 32 साल से मैं उनके साथ काम करते आया हूँ. We are very good friends. He's a great actor. I really admire him. And जो भी कुछ है, I don't think so this is a place where I'm going to talk about it, because whatever has to happen, it's a very serious matter. It is a matter which is going to be handled by the court and things like that. So I don't think I'm going to speak about it here.
मुझे एज ए कैरेक्टर मुझे मजा नहीं आ रहा, तो मैंने बोला मैं नहीं करूँगा, क्योंकि जो हम हेरा फेरी में कर चुके थे, इट वाज अगेन, अभी तो नीरज नहीं रहा, बट होता है ना कि यार वो एनकेश क्यों, यहाँ तो आप सिक्वल बनाते हो तो या फिर मुन्ना भाई एमबीबीएस जैसे ही बनाओ, एक लीप लेते हो क्वांटम पे लगे रहो जैसे ही, यू नो।
Sequels are tricky things.
या
Even in your case, Sarabhai versus Sarabhai
Yes.
Phase 2,
Didn't
it
work.
wasn't as well received as the
Not
first
at all.
one.
And we did a second season for something called Idhar Udhar, which was
Yeah,
my
yeah,
first.
Idhar Udhar.
Yeah, it was dreadful, the sequel. So it's not easy to get a sequel right.
But does that make you not take up a third? Maybe after this, we want to do Sarabhai. Would you have like apprehensions? Because
No,
every
of
time
course
you
not.
come back together for even a small video, na everybody
Yes,
thinks it's
I would definitely want to do Sarabhai again
Please
if
do
it were happening, but I would definitely want it to be better than what we did the second round.
Yeah.
And I think Atish is aware of what didn't work in the second round. So I'm hoping that if we ever get round to number 3, season 3, he will not make those same mistakes. We'll make different mistakes.
Yeah.
We can always make mistakes.
Yeah.
But we don't have